The Speaker Tim Moore Advanced Technology Center was built primarily to support the business and industries that are located right here in Cleveland County.
As soon as you walk in, it's state of the art. Everywhere you look, you're saying, well, this is the benchmark. You can come in here and look at it and see they're getting real knowledge and real skill sets they can apply on the job. Having a program like this is going to continue to bring manufacturing here. It's going to continue to keep your young talent in the county.
6 years of planning and development went into what you see today. We've had companies involved from day one. We brought in our local industries to really help us understand what they're looking for, what kind of spaces they need. We're not thinking about 5 years down the road or 10 years down the road. We're thinking 20, 30, 40 years down the road. If you look at the equipment that we have, it's pretty remarkable with the millions of dollars that we poured into this facility. Looking at the robotics that we have here, we have welding robots, painting robots, robots that move materials. We have hydraulic pneumatic equipment, PLC trainers, we have mechanical systems, instrumentation systems, CNC machines, 3D printers, and the list just goes on and on and on.
Having a pipeline of quality, diverse candidates is huge for Clearwater. Everyone has attrition. People leave the company for different reasons. If they retire, if their family's moving, whatever that is. Having a pipeline of apprentices in the company that already have the skill sets and knowledge to just jump right in and become an electrical technician, become a maintenance technician. That's huge for us. The apprenticeship program is like having a hitter on deck, always ready to go, and having someone just plugged in that has the knowledge and the skill set of your company from the on-the-job training.
The biggest benefit of apprenticeship is you earn while you learn. It's a great opportunity for not only apprenticeships, but just employers and for our students to be able to come and have hands-on experience, the nice labs. It is so open that employers can come in and actually see our equipment, see what the students are learning, and view that in action. We have great staff and faculty here that it's small enough that everyone gets that one-on-one attention.
We seek to hire faculty and staff that have been out in the field and done the work. We're not hiring someone right out of college. We're hiring people that have the degree, but they also have the skills and the experience in business and industry. And I think that goes a long way with sharing those personal testimonies about different projects that the faculty member worked on and how that's going to impact our students in everyday life when they get out into the workforce.
Investing in yourself is the biggest asset you have. Yourself is the biggest asset to your life. So invest in yourself and become a maintenance tech. Invest in yourself again and become an engineer. Invest in yourself again and become a supervisor. There's a career path there, and it can start when you're 16 years old or 17 years old taking classes through a program like this at CCC.
This affords many students the opportunity to go to college and to learn a skill. I'm a former machinist. I came out of high school and I went to a 2-year associate degree program like we have here at Cleveland, and I'm just excited for the opportunity that it presents to our students, to our community. It's high skill, high wage, high demand, and those students, our students, are going to have great lives coming through our programs.